Hey everyone, from the first ride, the MeetOne Tour electric trike surpassed expectations. Even though MeetOne is a relatively unknown brand in the trike industry and a newbie to the e-mobility area, the company has produced a device that seems more like a polished, primetime powerhouse than a prototype. This is not your typical three-wheeler. It is a fully functional beast with 2 motors, 2 batteries, and 2 suspension systems that, in a way that few others can, manage to blend extreme comfort with raw power. First, let's look at the underside, or more accurately, the frame. 2 750-watt motors, one in the front hub and one in the back, provide torque distribution similar to that of all-wheel drive for the MeetOne Tour. The trike's 20-inch wheels and 4-inch fat tires offer superior grip and stress absorption on a range of surfaces. 2 UL-certified 48-volt 15-amp-hour Samsung battery packs with a total capacity of 1,440 watt-hours power these motors. Depending on your riding style, that is sufficient for a stated range of 50 to 130 kilometers. 50 to 70 miles seems more feasible in real-world use, particularly when aggressively employing pedal assist. Although the throttle-only speed is limited to about 15 miles per hour, the top speed via pedal assist is a brisk 25 miles per hour. This restriction might serve as a safety measure, however it becomes apparent when switching between throttle and assist modes. The MeetOne Tour really excels in comfort. With a backrest that seems more like a recliner than a bike saddle, it has a large, comfortable seat. The riding position offers a relaxed, ergonomic experience that lessens strain on the knees and back by placing your feet well in front of you. Not quite recumbent, but close. Stability is outstanding. Because of its wide stance and low center of gravity, it is difficult to tip despite its size and weight. All 3 wheels usually remain grounded, even when traveling at a modest pace and making tight turns. Even in off-road situations, its comfort is a great asset. The mix of large tires and suspension makes tough paths doable and, dare I say it, fun, even though uneven trails are still noticeable. And the tricycle handles remarkably well for its class, despite its unusual appearance and large size. To keep goods dry and safe, a tight-fitting bag is placed over the rear basket. The tricycle has integrated lights and full fenders for all-weather use, and the mirrors are positioned correctly for actual visibility rather than only aesthetic purposes. It's not flawless, though. It weighs a lot. It weighs between 120 and 130 pounds, and lifting it is not simple. A ramp and a stable platform are necessary if you have to move it. Don't try to lift it into a pickup truck by yourself. Another source of contention is the cost. This is a significant investment at $3,299. Yes, it has a ton of features that make up for a large portion of the price, but this makes the MeetOne Tour unaffordable for riders on a tight budget. For someone who prefers extreme comfort, dependability, and unadulterated electric power to mobility or simplicity, this is the machine. In the end, the MeetOne Tour is unique, a first-generation product from an unidentified business that manages to do nearly everything flawlessly. It's clearly not your average e-trike, and it's not for everyone. However, it's a highlight for riders seeking a feature-rich, powerful, and incredibly comfortable ride. It feels like it was made just for people who wish to pedal easily, cruise in style, and enjoy everything that a high-end electric tricycle has to offer. It's among the greatest trikes you could bring home if you have the room and the money. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.